Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. And later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have 2s ds. First the derivative of s squared we have 2s. Because we don't have number 4, that's about number 2 and number 2 in here. So we need to divide both sides by number 4. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so I need to put number 0 gone here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 0 when s equals to b. So I need to put b gone here, and we got about u equals to 2b squared. So number 0 we keep about number 0. About b we change by this one. 2s squared we change by u. S ds we change by this one. The integration of sine u, we have negative cosine u. And then we need to put the bounds from 0 to 2b squared. And now we have the final answer. So we put this one gone here. And number 0 gone here. Because this one we have the negative sign, negative with negative, you got about positive. Cosine of number 0, you got about number 1. And this is the final answer. Question number 2. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have 4s to the power of 3 ds. First the derivative of negative number 1. This is about the constant. So you got about 0 in here. Because we don't have number 4, so we need to divide both sides by positive number 4. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to negative number 1, so I need to put negative number 1 gone here. You got about positive number 1. 1 minus 1, we have number 0. When s equals to number 3, so I need to put number 3 gone here. And we find the value of u. And we got about 80. So negative number 1 we change by number 0. Number 3 we change by 80. So this one we change by u. S to the power of 3 ds we change by this one. The integration of u we have u squared over 2, and we put the bounds from 0 to 80. And we got the final answer. So we have 800. This is the end. Thank you for watching.